The Desert Healthcare District and Foundation will soon be launching new coronavirus testing sites throughout the Coachella Valley. And the organization also just created a new comprehensive website to help you find important resources. Today I spoke with the CEO, Conrado Bergaza. Conrado, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for the opportunity.
So the Desert Healthcare District will be launching new testing sites this week. Can you talk to us about that?
Yes, the board of directors at the Desert Healthcare District approved an allocation of $350,000 to buy rapid testing. And we're also providing financial support to 3 of our main federally qualified health centers here in Coachella Valley. Those are Desert AIDS Project, Borrego Health Foundation, and Clínicas de Salud del Pueblo. So those 3 community clinics, as they're known, will be working with us to have testing sites throughout the Coachella Valley. We're going to have a variety of menus, if you will. We're going to use PCR, which is the antigen testing, and also the antibody testing. They have different applications, and they can recognize when someone has the virus and when someone has immunity, which is an important step in going back to normal, going back to work, and making sure that we have the resources in Coachella Valley to do that in a medically informed way, if you will.
So what do people need to do if they want to go to one of these sites to get tested?
So we will be informing through our community resource center where those test sites will be and what phone number they can use to have more information. And there will be ample opportunities to get tested, and depending on whether there are symptoms or not, there will be a variety of tests that can be performed.
And the Desert Healthcare District has also launched a new website with resources about coronavirus. Can you tell us about that?
Thank you. Yes, we have launched this resource center for a variety of reasons. Number one, because we want to make sure that our community in Coachella Valley has access to all the information regarding resources that we as the district are providing to our community, but also what everybody else is doing to ensure the health and well-being in our community. So health, remember, is, as the WHO defines it, is not just the absence of disease or infirmity. It's also a complete state of well-being, mental, physical, and social. So we want to provide information about what are we doing in terms of economic protection plan in Coachella Valley, where people can have access to rent support, to financial resources, to medical care. It's a variety of things that can be accessed by having that information on our website.
And I looked at your website. There's also an interactive map where people can look at the breakdown of coronavirus cases here in the Coachella Valley.
Yes, that is a map that it's being created by the Department of Public Health in Riverside County. So it's a link to that map. We try to update and provide as much information. And I want to highlight something. We have to understand that there is a number of people out there that while they don't have symptoms, they can be spreading the virus. So we have also tips, information on why it is important to take the measures that we're taking, such as social or physical distancing, the use of masks, and extreming the importance of hygiene in our homes and in our hands, in our bodies, etc.
What is the main message you want the community to hear right now?
I think that the main message is we are moving forward. I think the number of people that are recovering is increasing, but also the number of people that are getting infected. So it is very, very important that we continue to observe what the public health department is telling us to do.
Conrado, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.